Right guys, we're here at Gainsborough at Ping Fitting Centre. I've got James here who won the competition on our Twitter to win a full set of clubs, which is pretty cool, isn't it? So James is pretty happy with himself. So he's just about to go into his fit with the Ping guys. It's an amazing facility they've got here, every club you could ever dream of hitting. James is pretty new to golf, he's played about 20 rounds, I think he said. So a newish golfer. So let's see what Ping offer him in terms of specs and what kind of clubs could help his game and help him grow as a golfer. Let's get stuck in.
That's tightened back up again. Yeah. One thing we kind of tend to find is that we're not going to get too bogged down in.
So we've just finished, brilliant fitting session, wasn't it, James?
Yeah,
James got to hit all the clubs, and we've got a set made for him. The guys at Ping are sorting him out. They're making them over at the factory now, so we're going to go over to the factory and see the process of them being made, which is going to be really interesting. There were some interesting parts of the fit. James, obviously new to golf. There were some issues with your technique, which we talked about. We tried to help him with his technique, understand his numbers. So there was a few issues with attack angle in the longer clubs, but we could still fit some clubs around you growing into some better swings, didn't we?
Yeah, definitely.
So it's really great. Guys here really looked after us well. It's an amazing centre. I mean, there's so much here to try, isn't it?
Amazing.
And you know, the guy fitting us was fantastic. We had we had Trackman, and they had their N Flight, I think it's called, helping us with all the data. So really good. We're going to head over to the factory now, and let's see how these bad boys are made.
Yep.
Let's go.
And this is what it actually is. It's already been calculated in.
What we have to do differently to the tour equipment when the guys out on the main tour or the Euro Pro Tour is we'd have to keep a record of the groove, just to make sure that they conform. So it takes that problem out with the groove change. Just takes it out of the equation for the player and everything. It's not a difficult job, it's just a little bit time consuming, that's all. It's just a matter of putting this metallic dam on, and we flood it with this epoxy, which gives you this impression here, and then we put another black epoxy on the top of it, and we cut it in half, and you can see you get a profile of the groove there.
Yeah.
Just a small working model.
Yeah.
And then what we do then, we put it on a scanner here, this USGA provided us with, and then it gives you the results here. Okay. It'll give you a series of measurements of the groove.
Well, there we go, guys. What a day. We've been fitted. James has got his sticks, full set of sticks, putter. I mean, I'm jealous. I think I should have entered the blooming competition. Just come out of the factory. Amazing how they make it. So precise, isn't it? The precision is fantastic. Be interesting to see how James develops with these clubs as he gets going. He's had a good team today. Helping him with his technique as well. But with these sticks, he's got no excuses. handicap's got to start coming down.
Definitely.
Thanks for watching, guys. Really interesting. Post comments down below. Let me know what you think. Ping lover, ping hater. Let me know. This all clubs, company, manufacturers making them as precise as this or not? I'd love to know. What do you think? Post comments, and we'll speak to you all soon. So if you like what's going on here, don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel. Also, thumbs up the video. Post comments. Love to hear what you guys got to say. Let's keep it social. The more we talk, the more we share, the easier this game will get for everybody. So if you want to find me on Facebook here, you can find me on Facebook. If you want to tweet me, find me on Twitter here as well. Just follow the links, all in the description. Come and join the show. Get active, get involved, get playing some better golf. Thanks for watching.